guys, in this video we'll see how to write calligraphy. To write calligraphy we need a scale, a pencil and a pen and then a protractor. First you must take your protractor and mark it to your 60° and keep it on your margin of your page. So next you must take your pencil and then you must mark there. So after marking you must draw a line. So yes, here I will draw a line. So like this you must draw it full of the page. So after drawing, so let's start up with the writing of calligraphy. First we need to learn our strokes. So first I'll take out my pen. So yes, I took my pen and this is downstroke first. So downstroke will be thick like this. So like this. So you see that this place is coming down like this. So this must be thick like this. So you can also fill inside it. It will give a more calligraphic look. So next is upper stroke. This is the stroke where it is going up. So it must be thin like this. Next is underturn stroke. Underturn stroke, you can just write a U and then you can add the downstroke because this has a downstroke. Next is overturn stroke. You must just put the U upside down like this. So we will put the downstroke. So yes, this is overturn stroke. Next is compound stroke. Underturn stroke plus overturn stroke is equal to compound stroke. So just like this. So let me draw it. First the underturn stroke and then the overturn. Oh sorry, I just made it wrong. This is underturn stroke and then overturn stroke. We will mark the downstrokes. So here downstroke is here. So let's mark it. So let's mark here. Now let's see our next stroke. Next is reverse compound stroke. So this is just like the compound stroke, just upside down, like first overturn stroke and then underturn stroke. So we will draw it and then add the downstrokes. Sorry, it will not come here in this place. It will be like this. So let me draw it down here. So first you will draw like this and here a downstroke and then here a downstroke. Yes, this is reverse compound stroke. Next is C stroke. So C stroke is a bit easy. First of all you must write C and then put the downstroke. Yes, so this is the C stroke. Yes, okay. Our next stroke is reverse C stroke. We must put the C reverse in reverse version, just like this, and then we can fill inside. So next is oval stroke. So for oval stroke, let me show you. So first you will draw a oval and then put the downstroke. So this is an oval stroke. I'll show it once again. It will be like this. So next is ascender stroke. So we should do it like, first of all you must start from here and go from a curve and then come down, and we have a downstroke from here. So we will draw and mark it. So let's fill inside it. So yes, this is ascender stroke. Next stroke is descender stroke. Yes, it's this one. So for this we will just put it reversed. So first you will draw like this and then put the down stroke. So this is descender stroke. So I'll draw it once again. So just put like a D and then down. This is descender. Next is entry and ending stroke. For entry and ending stroke, for A you will do like this. For G and H, many letters have like this.
So now let's write it. So now let's see how to write small letters. So let's start with it. So let's start with small letters. So let's start with A. So first we will write A as it is. So after that we'll add the downstroke because here a stroke is coming down. So let's add the downstroke. So after A, let's see about B. So now let's see how to write B. First you must write the B as it is. So first I'll write the B. So after writing the B, I'll put the downstroke and then I'll fill inside the B. So after filling inside the B, so now let's see about the C. So after filling from B, so first we will write C and then we will put the downstroke and then we'll fill inside it. So yes, we have done it. So next is D. So first to write D, so we will write D as it is. So first we will write it D. So yes, we have done D and then put the downstroke and then put the ending stroke. So just like this. So let's fill inside D or else we can leave as this. So I'll fill inside it. So yes, it's filling. So I'll fill it inside it. So next letter is E. So E is a bit easy. We'll just draw E and then add the downstroke in the left side. So this is E and then F is, we will write F as it is first. So let's write F. So yes, here we will write F and then we will put the downstroke. So I'll put the downstroke and then fill inside it. So yes, I'll fill inside it and then F is ready. Next is G. So G we must write G as it is and then add the downstroke. For everything we will just write the letter and then add downstroke. Just like this. So for G, this is the downstroke. So I'll do G once again. It's not properly come. So first I'll write letter G. So yes, after writing letter G, I'll put the downstroke. So after putting, I'll fill inside it. So yes, it's filling. So this is G. So next is H. So to write H, we'll just put the normal H. So H, just like this, and then we'll put the down part like this, and then we'll put the down stroke just like this, and then here. So this has actually two down strokes. So next letter is I. So yes, yes. Now let's write dot and then put the down stroke. So yes, we have done it I. Next is
J. So to write J, we will just write J as it is. So first I'll write J. So yes, it's J, and then I'll put the downstroke. So I'll fill inside it. So yes, I'm filling inside it. Yes, J is ready. Next is K. So to write K, we will write K as it is. So yes, we'll write K, but from here we will first write the downstroke, and first we will do the downstroke in K just like this, the center stroke and starting stroke. Next we will put a line like this, and then so this is K. So after K we will write L. For L we will write like this, and then we will fill inside this. So we will write inside this. So yes, L. Next is M. So to write M, we will first write M like this. So first of all, you will put the downstroke and then fill inside it. So next step is write the down, then like this. So from here, let's put the downstroke, and again from here. So let's fill inside it. So yes, it's filling. So yes, now our M is ready. So our next letter is N. So to write N, we will write N as it is. So first I'll write N. So N will write the downstroke here. So and the downstroke I'll fill inside it. So yes. So next we'll put it down like this. Just like this down the downstroke. So and then I'll fill inside it. So this is N. So let's do O for O. So O is a bit easy. So I know we'll just add the downstroke and we'll fill inside it. So you see, O is very easy. Next is P. So to write P, we will write first the like this, and then we'll put the downstroke, and then we will put a round like this, and then just like this. This is P. Next is Q. So to write Q, we'll write Q just like as it is. So and then we'll put the downstroke. Next R. So to write R, so we'll put like this R, and then we'll put the downstroke here. So next S. So to write S, I'll write the S as it is, just like this. So and then I'll put the downstroke here, and then I'll fill inside it. So just like this. So yes, I filled it. So next is T. So yes, let's start with T. So to write T, first you will write the letter T, just not the full T. You will write like this, and then you will put like this, but not the line. You will put like this, and then put like this. This is T. Next is U. So to write U, it is very easy. We'll put just a U and then put the downstroke. So we'll start with V. Yes, this is V. Next, W. So yes, so W is same as U. You will take the next U like that. So you will put like this, and then again the downstroke. Yes, this is U. I try to show it from W. Yes. So, and also in Tamil version I forgot to say in it. So you can see it in U like this. So you can see U by this, and then W both. So next, X is like this. So to write X, we'll put like this. So we'll put like this, and then S we will put like this. Yes. So after that, Y. So we'll write the Y. To write Y, we will put Y as it is, and then we'll put the downstroke. Okay. So first I'll write Y and then put the downstroke.
So now let's write a Y once again because it's a bit small. Yes, we'll put it like this. So I'll fill inside Y, and then after filling inside this, I'll put Z. So to write Z, we'll put Z as it is. So first I'll write Z. So yes, I'll write Z. So we'll put the downstroke, and then we'll fill here. So and then again a downstroke like this, down from here. So we'll fill inside this too. So yeah.
And friends, in next video I'll show you capital letters and words, and in next I'll show you the designing and shadow effect. So thanks for watching this video, friends.
For watching.